In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy folders from one Wrike project to another. We'll walk through these steps together to ensure you have a seamless transition of your folders, whether for organizational purposes or project management needs. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and have navigated to the primary workspace. It's essential to start from this familiar ground, as it forms the backbone for all your operations within Wrike. Now head to the space or project that contains the folder you want to copy. This step involves finding the original location of your folder, the hub where all your relevant files, tasks, and data reside. Once you're there, you need to locate the specific folder you wish to duplicate. Take your time here to ensure you have selected the correct one, as this will prevent any mix-ups or unnecessary retracing of steps later on. Once you've identified the folder, right-click on the folder name, or alternatively, click the three dots located next to it. This action will open a context menu that gives you access to various options related to folder management. Among these choices, look for and select the duplicate option. Clicking duplicate will bring up a pop-up window with several selection criteria. Here's where you tailor what's carried over in the duplication process. You can choose to include subfolders, tasks, attachments, and optionally assignees. Each of these comes with its set of data and relationships, so make sure to select everything that applies to your needs. Next, you'll need to choose the destination project. This is where the copied folder will reside and integrate into your current workflows. In the Duplicate To section, click on Choose Location. This step is crucial as it defines where your duplicated information goes. Make sure you have determined the correct project or space within Wrike to house these newly duplicated assets. Once you've selected the appropriate destination, it's time to confirm your choices. Finally, a quick review of your selected options, and once you're sure that everything is set up as desired, simply click on Duplicate to confirm. This final action triggers the process, and your folder along with the chosen contents will be copied over to the designated location. And there you have it, a straightforward method to ensure your folders and their valuable information are efficiently duplicated and available in the new desired location within Wrike. By mastering these steps, you can efficiently manage your Wrike workspace, ensuring precision in moving important folder structures between projects. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Wrike tips and guidance. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!